I'm dead.
I'm making noise. No!
Oh, nigga!
Get away from him!
Got him! No! Adrian!
What's good, bro? Come on, bro! Bitch! Leave him alone! Bitch! Fuck you!
Go back to the room. Go to the holding pen.
I'm coming, bro. I'm coming. Bro, oh my god. I just fought him, bro. Oh shit, Grandpa, what the fuck?
He's in the holding pen. Bubba is in the holding pen, bro.
Come on, bro. I'm in here too.
I see you. Come here, come here. Come through. I can heal you.
Hurry, bro, please. Heal me. Oh god, bro. I'm so low on health.
Did I heal you?
No, bro, hold it.
Oh shit, I healed myself. I healed myself twice.
I'm gonna die, bro. I'm gonna die, bro.
You coming towards the boiler room? Oh yeah, come here, come here, come here. Stone, bro.
Excuse me. Turn around!
I told you not to.
Turn around!
I told you not to, bro.
Move! He's coming, bro. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
I went north tunnel. Where you found him? Where you found him? I'm right where you found him.
Okay, okay.
Bro, I fucking duped him.
Oh!
Stop, 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 stop.
Turn around! Alright. Got see real quick. Ah! No, turn around! Turn around! Turn around! I'm here.
Bro, bro, this way, this way, this way, this way. Bro, Bubba's here. Go, 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 go. Wait, 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 wait. Come here, come this way. Come here, Adrian. Bubba's coming. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Bubba, it's Bubba, it's Bubba.
Oh god, Bubba. He's looking. Oh god. Where are you? Are you in here with me?
Yes, I'm right here. Fuck.
Oh, let's not. We gotta look around us too.
Yes, hold on. Let him go back inside. He's going back, come back, come back.
They're not here.
Don't move, don't move.
I got it.
Don't move, don't move, don't move.
I'm not moving him.
Bro, he's right there.
Oh, bitch, run! Run away!
Go this way, go this way, go this way.
Where?
Go out the door, bro.
Okay.
Hide. He's gonna come out the door.
He's behind us. This is up to you, bro. I'm trying to get my endurance.
If you want, you go back.
Nah, bro, what's good? Nah, bro, DBD, what's up?
Bro, stupid.
What's good, bro?
Go back to
What's good, bro?
Go to the one.
Nah, you're not gonna hit me, bro. You're not gonna hit me, bro. Hold up. See? I'll make it think you hit me. What's good, bro? Bro's off that bloodlust.
Go to the basement. Climb down, back down if you have to.
I'm in Maine.
Where are the others?
I'm getting on October to the case.
I bet. Uh-oh. Oh, shit! Bitch! No! I'm fighting him!
Don't die, bro, please.
I punched him. I'm out.
You need help?
No, I'm good. No issues.
Seems to be
Bro,
Slam the door on them.
Come in the house. We're unlocking something. We're unlocking
Hold up, bro. Hold up. This is bad.
Bro, please, bro.
Come on. Alright. I'm taking the ladder. Come on, up. Okay, I'm going up. Alright, I'm back upstairs where we were. Where are you?
I'm coming. I'm over you. Wait, don't move.
He knows I'm here, bro.
I see you. You have to come down, bro.
Oh, he can crawl through. What the fuck?
They're all going to the front, bro. They're all going for you, bro.
Oh my god. I'm going upstairs. Okay. Oh my god, bro. Oh my fucking god. I'm in the house, bro. I'm literally in the house.
You're in the house? Wait.
I'm upstairs, bro. I'm in the attic. They know I'm up here, bro. They're looking for me.
Bro, you need to drop down. I see you, bro.
They're gone. Where are the others?
You need to
Bro,
make it.
they are beasting to get me, bro. I need to make this. Uh-oh. He's looking for me. He's closing the door behind him. Nah, bro. I already fucked you up one loop. What are you doing, bro? Oh, God. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, my God.
Bro, they're all looking for you. Literally all of them.
Oh, God, bro.
That's it.
What?
Escape is open.
Where, bro? I'm with Grandpa.
All the way. Oh, come. You see me? You see my aura?
No, I can't. You see me. Which way? Which way do I go?
I'm coming. I don't know how to explain. You just go.
Bro, okay, look, where am I? Which way?
Straight.
This
Bro.
way?
No. I'm
This
going,
way?
I'm
This
going,
way?
I'm
This
going.
way?
Yes.
Okay.
Go. Take it off. Take it right. Yes. Take it right and look for a door.
There's no doors here.
I'm coming.
Wait. Uh-oh, Grandpa. Bro. I pushed him.
Come in. Out the door. Where you going?
What do you mean? I'm outside.
Come back in. No. You went
okay.
the wrong outside. They're both behind you, bro. There's no.
Oh my god.
Bro, come back to the room.
No, I gotta go. I'm going to well. I'm in the well. Fuck! I was so close.
You were right there, but we were gone.
Oh my god! All right, hold up. All right, sorry.
Bro, that same place where I told you to
Yeah.
take it right.
All right. I'm healed.
Place, bro.
I'm fully healed. I'm ready. All right, I'm coming.
Let me know. Bro, this is stressful.
Bitch! Don't leave me, bro, please.
I'm not gonna leave you, bro. I'm gonna wait.
I'd be getting kind of lonely.
I'm not, bro. I'm staying until I die with you. Come. Okay. Oh, wait, behind you. Stop moving. Come here.
My boyfriend!
Come on, let's go. Don't move.
No!
Bro.
I'm not here.
What's this? Are they behind us?
No, we're good. Oh, I saw someone, bro, in that little crawl space.
Don't move, bro.
Oh, he didn't see us. All right, check your check spots.
Bro, don't move. Yeah, I got check spots. He's there. Bro, he doesn't see us. Kiss me.
Yo, what? What is this?
Oh, that's it.
No way, we lost you. Oh my god.
Bro, yo, you here?
We made it.
Is that it? Yo,
Oh, we did it. Bro's dancing. God damn, that was so stressful.